In this video I will talk to you about lightning. Not the lightning that is striking our planet, but the lightning in my workshop. In this episode, I will do some changes on the electricity so I can control the lights. Hi friends, and welcome back here in the workshop. So today I have work to do on the workshop, so I'm planning to do the electricity in here so I can make it a little bit more future-proof, so I can control more outputs and I will show you the situation for the moment. So okay, so as you have maybe already noticed, I have some video lights here in the workshop. So for example, behind me and on the other side. So it's a mess for the moment. So I have taken a cable where I hooked up the video lights now for the moment, because we are going to work on the electricity. I have put the cable in there, so there's the garage, besides where my motorcycle is and all that kind of crap. But so I'm planning to redo the fuse box, and also for the moment you don't need to look at that light, but I only have that light, then I have that light and that light, so it's a little bit dark. So I'm gonna add one more light, but so I'm preparing a new fuse box. So I'm going to control the electricity with this microcontroller, so I can control 8 outputs. I have 8 digital inputs, I have 2 analog inputs if I'm right, but so the plan is to put it there on the wall. Also I've got a switch, and so I have a lot of work to do, guys. So firstly, I will put you back on the stand. So like I mentioned, a lot of work to do, so I need to put off the electricity so that I can work safely. Of course I have the video lights that I hope are giving me light enough to do the work. I'm going to switch you to a time lapse of different angles, because it's going to take a while.
When I was young, my daddy said, gotta keep one eye open in your bed, 'cause there's a time coming when the devil gonna come for you. So my trigger finger stay.
Okay friends, as you can see, I have removed the old fuse box. So now I need to prepare the wall for the new fuse box, and I'm gonna work with an inbuilt switch. So I'm gonna put the insulation plate here against the wall. I hope that I find a piece of wood that I can use as wall, so I can screw on the fuse box.
Stay prepared. I've got my weapon and I got my prayers, 'cause if you don't run this town, they'll walk all over you. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. Run out loud, better run on. Run all day till you can't be found. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on.
So I have used some insulation and some wood, because I needed a certain depth, because the switch was to built in, and of course with the brick wall.
Keep on running till the sun goes down. You can outrun the devil, but you ain't gonna outrun me.
Our electrician work is finally finished. So yeah, what have we done? So we have placed ourselves a new fuse box, and I will take you a little bit closer. So I bought myself a second-hand fuse box, a bigger one as the previous one, as you can see, and this one I also have changed because the old fuse box, the first fuse box, so that was the current one when we bought it. It was World War II things, so I've changed it to this one with newer fuses. But yeah, I wanted to make my workshop a little bit more future-proof, so that's why I have changed the fuse box. And to give you an idea what I mean with future-proof, so before there was this light switch, and so that area of the workshop went on, and I had a other switch here to make this light on. But now I'm working with digital inputs, so I can add other functions to this switch. So for example, the first knob is to put up that side of the room, of the workshop. The second button that side, and now we're gonna make it dark, the light above us. So I can control them now separately. And the craziest part, I don't have any internet here, but I will show you. For example, I can control the lights with my cell phone or with a laptop. So in the future I can control the temperature and do sort of functions on the temperature, and so make it a little bit more future-proof. So guys, that's it for this video. We made our workshop a little bit smarter today, and I hope to see you in the next. Peace.